Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken in Bubblegum Simulator. To begin your quest for the Kraken, you must first understand its rarity and the unique process involved. This legendary pet is not found in typical eggs or trades, requiring a dedicated approach. You'll need to gather specific resources and complete a series of steps to even have a chance at obtaining it. Let's dive into the details of this exclusive acquisition method. The only way to obtain the Kraken is by hatching it from the deep-sea egg. This special egg is hidden deep within the game's ocean biome, a zone that demands a substantial amount of progress to unlock. To reach the deep-sea area, you'll need to accumulate a significant number of bubbles, often in the trillions, to break through the barriers. Once there, focus all your efforts on hatching these unique eggs for a chance at the Kraken. Be aware that the Kraken boasts an incredibly low hatch rate, making it one of the most challenging pets to acquire. Players often report opening tens of thousands of deep-sea eggs before finally seeing one. To maximize your chances, consider using any available luck boosts or game passes that increase your pet hatching odds. Persistence is key, as this process can take a considerable amount of time and effort. To successfully get the Kraken, a consistent strategy is essential. Focus on continuously farming bubbles to afford as many deep-sea eggs as possible. Leverage any auto-hatch features the game offers to open eggs efficiently without constant manual input. Remember, this is a long-term goal, so stay patient and persistent. Engaging with the Bubblegum Simulator community can also provide valuable insights and encouragement on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.